So yesterday we did Doordash and we made just over $100, like just over $100. Today, we're gonna do Instacart. Let's see how much we make.
Woo! Counted the money, okay. Might buy a crib with a view in LA.
Before we jump into this video, Instacart versus Doordash and what I made with Instacart compared to what I made with Doordash yesterday. At the end of the day, this is what I wanna let y'all know. Take this and milk it. Milk it, because it won't last forever. My advice to everyone watching this would be to milk it while it's here, man. And at the end of the year, you're gonna have some stacks to invest. You're gonna have a big bank, but do not depend on them. Do not depend on them, but just milk them while you can. Let's get it. Team Run It Up. Let's get it. Good morning, team Run It Up. It is 6:30 right now, and we're pulling up to the store because we just swiped the $55 batch with Instacart at 6:30 in the morning. $55. It's a lot of items, I'm not gonna lie. It's a triple, I'm not gonna lie. I just swiped it really quick. But yeah, let's see how fast it takes me to finish this. 55 at 6:30 a.m. Let's get it. Team Run It Up, you already know. All right. All right, team Run It Up. So quick update. I finished that order so fast, right? It was a good order, but I came back to my home city, my hometown, in hopes for my store to have some activity, and there's no activity. I've been waiting for about an hour now, right? And that's just me not being disciplined with this Instacart stuff and trying to be where I want to be instead of where I need to be. And it don't work like that. You gotta be where the orders are, you know what I mean? I see a lot of people like that post about Instacart that are like, yo, Instacart's crap, I can never get an order. And they're showing like orders that are like 40 minutes away from them, and they expect to get the orders 40 minutes away. That just won't happen. Yeah, I have to drive like about 30 minutes in another direction just to get some orders because it ain't popping here where I am. But it is what it is. We're gonna run it up. Let's get it. There goes Bella over there getting gas too. All right, so after finally waiting about an hour, man, finally we back on the board. I swiped the 54 double. Yeah, so this is a good one. It is, what time is it? It's 8:30 right now. It's kind of making me upset. You know, my store was not popping back in my area, so I had to drive like, what, 25 minutes, 30 minutes to this area, and I got it here. Yeah, so that's what you have to do sometimes. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be here. I got a lot of haters over here, by the way. Hi haters, I'm at your store. Just like that, we are at 112 before 10 a.m. All right, so it's 9:40 right now. We're at 112. I'm gonna go to the Costco drop and hopefully get a banger. We've already made more than what we made with Doordash working until 2, and it's not even 10 yet. So I'm not saying Doordash is horrible. All I'm saying is we running it up today. Let's get it. 30 minutes, about 30 minutes wait time. We didn't get anything at the Costco drop. It was kind of whack, but I was a few towns over, so I came back to my hometown and I swiped the 38 double, 5 miles. Y'all know where we are. Almighty Costco. And my boy told me not to come here today because they're doing inventory and it's just crazy. It was so hard to even find a spot right now. But I couldn't resist. I got a 36, 6 items. Like, what, 4 miles, I think, a double. One person has 4 items. It's like butter, chicken, and eggs. The other person had like toothpaste and 1 other item. It was ridiculous. I can't turn that down. I can't turn that down. So we here at Costco. We're gonna go in here and crush this real quick. You already know what it is. Let's get it. And just like that, it's a wrap. It took me about 11 minutes to do the shopping. Let's see how long it takes me to deliver. Okay, fam, so we're gonna check in real quick. I don't know where I am right now, by the way. But anyways, just like that, it is 1:53, and we're at 200 for the day at 1:53. It's not even 2 o'clock yet. I'm gonna post that up real quick so y'all can see it. How do I get out of here, man? Dang, man. It's just a different ball game. These delivery, grocery store, you know, grocery shopping food apps, it's just a different league when it comes to this delivery, you know, delivery app, you know, gig community, whatever y'all want to call it. It's just a different league when you're doing grocery stores, shopping, and delivering. The payouts are way bigger, the payouts are way faster. Yeah, you gotta do more work, but at the same time, I'm not gonna trash Doordash, I'm not gonna trash these other apps, you know, because honestly, like I said before, I'll say it again, I don't like Instacart. It's a rigged system, and the system is meant for them to make money. So the one thing I like to say about Instacart is milk it. All these gig apps out there, we milking y'all. I'm milking you. And I'm gonna keep. Thank you, Cal. Thank you, Cal. Let's get it. Team, run it up. Run it up. Let's go. Yes, yes, yes. Team, run it up. We are back at Costco, milking it once again. Yes. Just swiped a $58 double Costco, 29 items, and it's about, I don't know, I forget how many miles it was, but it's not too bad. I think it's like a 18-minute drive to the customer's house, and they both live right next to each other. But yeah, $58 batch right here. This is gonna be lovely. Oh, and by the way, I showed you guys 200 by 2 o'clock, well, before 2 o'clock, but the batch didn't even calculate in. The second house didn't calculate in, so it's really 229 before 2 o'clock, 229. So yeah, we on a good streak. Let's get it.